Hello guys.
Já viu o rico namorar pobre?
Hello guys. Ethan's videoing a video in Dagat. We're videoing a video. That's Pau Pau. She have the rope up here. She's gonna pull it we fall. So we're just going to the ocean right now in the deep part. And I'm 6 years old and I'm grade 1, so I can't go that far. But we're gonna go over there, past that tambot. Ilan take the camera. Yeah. And then
Wow!
Alright, please go! Bye. Have a good day. Sorry. This is Papa and we're on a kid. Bye everyone. We're going to go. Good job.